Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these crochet boho box braids using no cornrows. No cornrows were used in this method. So the hair that I got, I purchased it from Amazon, which I will link in the description box, but it's 14 inches in the color T1B30. It came with 8 packs in total, and in each pack there were 16 braids, and I used all packs. I used all the hair for this look. So I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream, using some edge booster, using my crochet hook to install, and my rat tail comb. So I'm going to go in and start parting my hair to make my illusion boxes. And basically I'm just going to be plaiting the front half of my hair because I do not know how to cornrow. So this will be perfect for you too if you don't know how to cornrow. But if you do, then I would probably do cornrows because it does get more flatter and more neater. But for me, since I don't know how, I'm going to be using this method and just going to part and start my boxes. So I'm going to take some edge booster and put it on the base before I start to braid. And remember, when you start braiding, do not make your braids so tight at the base because you do want to leave space for you to slip in your crochet hook and crochet your braid through, and you don't want it to feel tight. So remember, it's protection over perfection. So just make sure that you're not braiding your base down too tight. So on this second box, what I do is I put edge booster on there and split that part in two, and then grab the first braid in the front and use that as the third strand and just braid it together. And that's how you create the illusion boxes for the front half of your hair. So when you're all done with that, it should look something like this. Of course, mine's isn't perfect, but I'm sure yours will be more perfect. So I'm going to moisturize the back half of my hair. And for the back half, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flat twist that part down instead of cornrowing. So I'm going to attempt to explain flat twisting, but it's really easy, and I'm gonna try to explain it the best way I can. And also too, I'm not the best parter because since I don't braid, I don't part well. So I try to use the comb, but then like I just use my hands and kind of feel for it because that's just not what I'm good at. So I'm going to show you guys how I flat twist. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 strands of hair like you're about to start twisting, and you're going to twist, but every time you pull a section to the bottom, you're just going to pick up more hair. So with each twist, you just grab more hair to the section that you're twisting and just keep twisting down until there's no more hair to grab. So sort of the same concept as cornrowing, but you're flat twisting. But there's lots of videos out there on YouTube that teach you how to flat twist. That's how I learned, watching YouTube. I'm not the best at it, but it gets the job done for what I need it to do. So I'm just going to continue to do that for each of the illusion box rows that I have. And you'll see at the end of this twist how I connect them together. And then I will show you guys what it all looks like put together. So this is what I have after I'm all done. And if you don't know how to flat twist or cornrow, you can definitely do illusion boxes all the way going back. But that's what I have. So I'm going to start crocheting. So I'm gonna slip my needle through, hook the hair, pull it through. I'm going to put my needle through the hole and grab the hair. And since there's loose hair, this is how I like to pull it through, just so that way no hairs get left behind and it doesn't mess up the integrity of the goddess hair that's in there. So yeah, I'm just going to do this all throughout my hair with all the braids that I have. And this is my final look, you guys. So super simple, super easy, and it came out so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Um, I've never done this style before, and I was hesitant about the color, but I think it looks beautiful. I would definitely do this again. I'm just really loving this hair. This was the best choice that I've made. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Share it with anyone you may think will find it helpful. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my links below where you can shop my boutique, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.